Ta-da! Welcome back to Scooter to Blink POV. Today we have the strongest motorbike I ever rode, a Honda CB1000 Hornet, the SP version, which gives you the most luxury components you can get on this model. Like it's not strong enough already. Damn, it looks just so mean. It's a huge motorbike, has a style, looks crazy. Oh my god, golden with black is a very nice combo. Though I learned for the past 2 days I had it, it really gets hot on it. So what do we have? We have 1000cc 4-cylinder engine. You see 4 pipes, producing 157 horsepower and 104 Newton meters of torque at 9000 rpm. The engine spins until about 13,000 spins per minute. It's a big boy. We got 212 kilograms to work with, so it's not a light motorbike by any means. And because it's inline 4 engine, it's a screamer. It screams so much. But this one, it's 1000cc, meaning I have no torque issues. Those engines usually develop low torque but a high horsepower because they have higher rpm, but 1000 has no problems with that. Yeah, of course it's very thirsty. We got 17-liter tank, should be good for around about 280 kilometers though, so you don't really have to stop. For the full day I stopped 3 times, but the average consumption is 8 liters per 100 kilometers, and I even reached 9.5 when, you know, doing some pulls. So it is thirsty as fuck. It's a sports bike, you know. 1 liter engine develops 157 horsepower. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of consumption. So the power is transmitted through 6-speed manual. We got mean looking LED lights in front and in the back. Very nice attention to details. Stock exhaust for now, still screams. We got also a quick shifter, up and down, guys. It's crazy. It's just a new way of riding. You even if you have no clue, you don't have to press the clutch. You just switch gears and it sounds like you know what you're doing. We also have O-lins in the back, O-lin shock, meaning that you can actually adjust preload, compression and rebound damping. And in front we got, what is that? I think it's 41mm Showa reverse suspension. And yeah, regarding the brakes, because this is SP model, we also get the best brakes possible. They are Brembos. In front we got 310mm Brembo discs, ABS, and in the back we got a dual disc, by the way, and in the back we got a single one, also Brembo with ABS. So because of the ABS, braking should not be so problematic. What we have on the dash, we have around about 127mm TFT display with many settings. The screen adapts to the light and dark if you're in a tunnel. You also have a few modes, you can switch them. You got, this is sports mode, rain mode, your preset, second preset, and normal mode. And also fuel gauge, you know, RPMs, basic stuff. You can connect using Honda app. Also your phone, you get navigation, but not like the map. You only get the messages coming from the map. And yeah, it's regarding seating position, the seat is 81 centimeters high. So me being 1 meter and 82 high, I just sit on it normally with a flat foot, no problem for me. Really comfortable bike. So yeah, what this would cost, this costs 13,590 euros in Slovenia, but it's kind of worth the money, guys. You know, it's really just something else. I'm so excited. I love this bike. It has such presence, such power. You really have to try to understand it. You actually go out of your comfort zone just sitting on it. And never-ending power. It's just surgical power. It goes and it goes more than you thought, and it sings. Perfectly. Almost no burbles, except if you really drop it 2 gears lower, then it just burbles. With the exhaust, this must sound so fucking crazy. But yeah, let's stop talking, let's go enjoy it. How does it ride? Spoilers, it rides very nicely. So we gotta do this, and we are here. Boy. You know, for some miles, 700 to be exact, that I rode it, it's very nice to drive at low RPM, you know. It's really maintainable, it's flickable. Really, it's a really easy bike to drive. You really hug it with the legs. You're basically like a Hornet. You're just with your body, you're in front. So this bike kind of also doesn't make sense. It has such power, everything, but like MT-07 I rode really caught me until up at least around about 212 kilometers per hour. It was just on my ass, and then I pull away. But because this bike has no shield protection, no window protection, it's very difficult. You really need to lay on it. Yeah, so, and because of, look at that, quick shifter is magical. I just have to hold the gas pedal and lose the leg, and I switch gears. And for down, same. Oh, sometimes it likes to go into neutral, I learned, but otherwise it really likes to listen. Oh my god, it's just, there is so much power. And it's very flickable. I think I already said that. It's, for the city I didn't find it difficult to manage, but at cornering, it is, you can feel the weight of it, but still the bike is crazy. It's absolutely something you don't need, because at high speed you have this power, extra power over 600, but you will not go much faster than with 600 because it's uncomfortable. You have no defense against the wind. So this bike doesn't make sense. But on the other hand, you get this status, you know. Everybody I stop, they give me respect. They stop for me, say, wow, that's 1,000. Wow, you know, the girls like, because I get attention, and you know, attention is currency for them, so they get to me, they talk to me. So you just buy this bike and you already bought image. You special. So it's easy way out. But you know, this motorbike, based on the cost of the fuel, costs you 10 cents per kilometer fuel only before servicing, before amortization, whatever you got. So it's by any means not cheap. Cheap because I'm a motorbike. You know, it's not really legal in Slovenia, but it's not illegal. It's a gray area. Well, somebody might say we should get a penalty, but look, what's the point of having a bike if you cannot just, you know, optimize the traffic? I'm optimizing, guys. I don't need a car. Why would I have it? Anyways, yeah, I mean, I got no idea. Why would I buy this bike? It's pure status, and you know, I got bigger balls than you do. But it's nice. The attention is nice, not gonna lie. Driving to the morning coffee into the city centrum, it's just something else. It really is. It's awesome. It's just, you ride through the morning, fresh morning, summer morning, like through the city, and everybody wakes up. A lot of people hate you through the window, but they are too lazy because they're still sleeping to check on you. And you just stop your motorbike and go for a coffee and watch it from afar. Yes. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. Thanks for watching. If you buy it, let me know, guys. I want to see some more videos. This one will go back today. Stay tuned. Yeah.